The little seed's big dream. In the heart of the sunlit meadow, Sam the little seed continued to dream big. Each day, despite the teasing whispers of the small pebbles, Sam stood tall, soaking in the golden rays of the sun. One day, a wise old tree named Tall Oak noticed Sam's unwavering determination. Tall Oak approached Sam with a gentle rustle of leaves and spoke. "Little seed, I see the spark of greatness in you. Don't let the words of the small pebbles dim your dreams. You have the potential to become something truly remarkable." Encouraged by Tall Oak's words, Sam grew even more determined. The little seed stretched its roots deep into the earth, drawing strength from the rich soil. Sam's leaves unfurled like eager hands reaching for the sky. The small pebbles, now curious about the transformation, watched as Sam flourished. As Sam grew, the meadow around began to change. The once sunny spot now had a cool shade. And other seeds and plants found comfort under Sam's expanding branches. The laughter of the small pebbles turned into whispers of amazement. For they could no longer deny the extraordinary journey of the once tiny seed. One day, a gentle breeze carried the laughter of the small pebbles to Sam's branches. Sam swayed gracefully in the wind, sending a shower of seeds into the air. With a smile, Sam said, "Even the smallest seed can become something incredible. With the right mindset and the support of great minds." Sam's story spread across the meadow, inspiring other seeds to dream big. Tall Oak, proud of Sam's growth, continued to offer guidance to the young saplings that began to populate the meadow. The small pebbles, having witnessed the transformation, felt a change within themselves. They realized the impact of their words and decided to join forces with the growing community in the meadow. As they rolled closer to Sam, they apologized for their earlier teasing and asked if they could be a part of the positive change. Sam, embodying the spirit of forgiveness, welcomed the small pebbles. Together, they formed a diverse and supportive community, proving that even those who once disparaged your ambitions can change and become a source of encouragement. And so, the once sunny meadow blossomed into a vibrant ecosystem, where every seed, big or small, was encouraged to dream, grow, and reach for the skies. The little seed named Sam had not only realized its big dream, but had also become a symbol of inspiration for generations to come.
If you enjoyed my story, please show your support by liking and subscribing to my channel. I regularly post new stories, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch and listen. Thank you.